Welcome to the second series of English speaking for college and school students. One should get advantage of English speaking at a very young age. Confidence develops only when you listen properly and you repeat. Okay? Go systematically and I assure you that you will speak good English. Okay? My first sentence is, my name is Avinash Naik. My name is Shankar. I am Ram. I am Sita. I am Sheetal. I am Devki. Good. So the confidence is I am. I am means मैं हूँ. My name is, मेरा नाम है. My name is Sheetal. I am Sheetal. मैं शीतल हूँ. Next sentence. I am in home. मैं घर पे हूँ. I am correct. मैं सही हूँ. I am correct. मैं सही हूँ. I am correct. मैं सही हूँ. I am correct. I am in home. Next sentence. It is. अब it is से क्या होता है मतलब? It is मतलब यह है. This is मतलब यह है. This is mobile. This is mobile. This is my mobile. This is my pen. This is my pen. This is my book. This is my book. Okay? This is my book. This is my book. Okay? This is easy. This English speaking is easy. मतलब यह English speaking easy है. This is my pen. यह मेरा पेन है. This is my pen. This is my tiffin. This is my partner. This is my friend, Rita. Okay? Nice. This word is easy. यह शब्द आसान है. This word is easy. This English speaking lecture is easy. This English picture lesson is easy. This English speaking lecture is easy. This English speaking lecture is easy. यह English speaking lecture आसान है. Slowly, slowly. You go on speaking slowly, slowly. This is the homework. This is the homework. Okay? यह homework है. यह गृहपाठ है. This is homework. क्या बोलेंगे? This is homework. Right? Maths homework is exercise 4.1. Maths exercise is 4.1. मतलब maths का गृहपाठ 4.1 है. English homework is reading the lesson. English homework is reading the lesson. Lesson को पढ़ना है. English homework is reading the lesson. English homework is reading the lesson. My friend Rohit is on the ground. मेरा friend, मेरा दोस्त रोहित ग्राउंड पे है. My friend Rohit is on the ground. क्या बोलना है? My friend Rohit is on the ground. My friend Sheetal is on the ground. My friend Sheetal is in the canteen. Amit is in classroom. Amit is in classroom. Anand is in office. Right. Next lecture is history. अगला lecture इतिहास का है. The next lecture is history. Simple? Very simple. The next lecture is history. This work is correct. यह काम सही है. This work is correct. कैसे बोलेंगे? Rahul, this work is correct. Papa, this work is correct. Auntie, this work is correct. Grammar work is not easy. Grammar बहुत कठिन है. This work is not easy. Grammar work, व्याकरण का काम आसान नहीं है. ठीक कैसे करेंगे? व्याकरण का काम आसान कैसे करेंगे? Grammar work is done daily by speaking. If you speak, your grammar is automatically corrected. It is a natural way. There is a natural method. Nature always corrects you. Okay? So grammar work is corrected by speaking more and more. This work or grammar is corrected by speaking. Grammar is corrected by speaking. Yes, this is my copy. This is my copy. Rohit. No, this is my copy. ये मेरी copy है. This is my copy. ये मेरी copy है. This is my name. This is my name. This is my copy. See, cover is same, but this is my copy. This is my name. My name is here, Avinash Naik. So this is my copy. This is my copy. Okay. So यह मेरी copy है. आप कहते हो ना यह मेरी copy है. So आपने इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहिए. This is my copy. कैसे बोलेंगे? This is my copy. Mummy, this is my copy. Uncle, this is my copy. Teacher, this is my copy. That copy is yours. That copy is yours. वह तुम्हारी copy है. That copy is yours. Is yours. This is checked copy. तो signature है. This is checked copy. This is checked copy. This copy is checked. Tomorrow's test is science. कल की test science है. Tomorrow's test is science. Today there is no test. Tomorrow's test is science. Tomorrow's test is science. Teacher, tomorrow's test is science. Okay, so these are the sentences which you have to repeat again and again and go for your confidence. Okay, go on listening, speaking, and speak with your friends and use it in daily life. Thank you.